Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Outlook not loading images problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of three steps. The first step is to turn off internet options feature. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select internet options. Select advanced tab and you just need to scroll down to the bottom and you just need to uncheck this box guys. Do not save encrypted pages to disk. Uncheck it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now the second step is to give image permissions for Outlook. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome, search for Outlook, click on the site, sign in to your Outlook account. Click on the icon on the top, this icon, and select site settings. You just need to scroll down. In images, you just need to click on the drop down and select allow. After doing this, just to close it off here. The third step is to allow Outlook services to load images. To do this, you just need to open up Outlook and select the settings icon over here, and on left side you just need to select general. On right side select privacy and data. In here you just need to scroll down, external images. You just need to select always use the Outlook service to load images. You just need to select this option. After that, just to close it off here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to clear Outlook's cache files. To do this, you just need to click on this three dot icon and you just need to scroll down and select settings. On left side, you just need to select privacy and security. On right side, you just need to scroll down and select third-party cookies. You just need to scroll down and select see all site data and permissions. In here, search for Outlook. Click on the trash icon and select delete it guys. After deleting it, you just need to sign in to your Outlook again and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.